about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Jayla Koriyan, and thanks for tuning in. Today is a special day because I am about to go get the keys to my new place. I'm in between apartments and I just got literally my dream New York City apartment. I have the best view in the city. Like, it's just bomb and I love it, and I'm super excited to move. My puppy doesn't want me to leave. We gotta get the keys to our new place. We gotta get the keys to our new place. Yeah, Harlem. So yeah, I'm about to head out now. Now, normally with my moving process, I literally like do it in a week and I rush. This time I get some time to like move from one location to the next. Literally, I'm bringing a bag over with like toilet paper, some forks, some candles, and nothing much. Heading over there, I have to get the whole walkthrough and everything with the keys, so I'm super excited about that. I just can't believe your girl is moving. Your girl is moving. My bedroom is basically going to be set up the same way in my new place. I love this wallpaper. So I also need to go to Target to see if they have these. I probably have to order them, and I want to go ahead and get them installed. Like I said, I'm not moving fast this time. I'm moving, you know, taking my time, girl. Nobody got time to stress. Let me put my little Harlem baby up, my little fur baby up. You ready? And feed him. My baby hungry and thirsty. Alright guys, here is the start of my empty apartment tour. Let's turn on the light. To the left, I have a full walk-in closet. Okay, you know I need space, girl. And when you go this way, this is my second bathroom. It has another, like, this light comes on. That's nice. So, you know, Harlem's little room. I can put his little painting up there. This is the second bedroom. When you turn the corner, this is a little hallway to the living room and kitchen area. I have the most amazing view ever. I have the most beautiful balcony ever. I'm super excited to wake up to this every single day. Like, this is just going to inspire me so much. Look at my huge balcony. It's cold outside. It snowed today, so I don't really want to go out there. From the balcony door, this is my kitchen. I have a black and gray kitchen. Put my little bar stools. I love this style kitchen. And then this is the master bedroom. It has a door to the balcony, another like kind of weird shaped walk-in closet, and then the bathroom is huge. It's huge. It's huge, and I love it oh so much. More cabinet space because this is like all my hair products and, you know, everything else. Can I open this? This doesn't, yeah, it opens, yeah. So yeah, I'm super excited. I'm excited, happy. Master bed. I guess I can come out here for you guys a little bit. I don't know. I'm gonna use the other door. Turn off lights. This is weird shape, but I have a lot of stuff that can be hung. I love closets that's like already built in. Oh, washer and dryer in unit. Gotta have that. In the second bedroom, it has a pretty deep closet as well. Equipment and stuff can go right here, some shelving and stuff, so that's really good. So yeah, in the second bedroom, this view is just looking at another building and then like buildings back that way, and you see a little bit of the city like if you're standing at the window, but overall it's just an empty room that my like closet and stuff is going to be in there. And that is the place. You know, my cute little place. I love the black cabinets and stuff that they have in here. So yeah, boxes everywhere. The bed is being broken down. Yeah. I'm gonna miss this wallpaper. I just have to take up these rugs and this. Oh, maybe I can get this. That's really the last thing. What's up, guys? Recording live from my new place. I am all moved in. My bedding and stuff is in here. So last night was the first night that I slept in my new place. Oh my god, guys, like this view, waking up to this view is breathtaking. Let me show you. Oh my god, Harlem, do you see this? It's so amazing. It's a nice day outside. I can't wait to get actual like patio furniture to go on the terrace, because I keep calling it a balcony, but it's actually huge. So yeah, it's huge. Look at that view. Oh my god. So yeah, all of my things are here. I've been slowly putting up boxes. Basically all of my clothes are like 95% unpacked, and the kitchen is unpacked. I don't have like a sofa or anything, because you guys know from my last place I sold the sofa. A lot of things I actually sold, the bar stools and stuff like that. So I don't have that, but I'm like taking it slow. I'm not in any rush to get a new one. And my cousins are in town, so they're staying with me. So I actually think that I'm going to go to Target and get like a little grill and cook out on the patio today, because it's really a nice day. So I'm super excited about this new place. Like, I've been loving it. It's everything that I wanted. Everything. Amenities, all of that. Harlem keeps barking at anything out the window, since there's so many windows. But yeah, guys, I am fully moved in to my new area. So I'm super excited to like just explore new places in this area. I've been to a few like bars and stuff, and they have some really good food around here and stuff. I'm about to test out this grocery store around the corner and see like what's that's all about. They're literally jet skiing outside right now. I want to be out there jet skiing. I'm gonna wait till it warms up a little bit more. But I do have a few areas I want to decorate. I need some like paintings. Like I said, I need a sofa. The kitchen, I have this like little nook where I want to do like hanging pots and stuff like that. So what I do have left, I will like, you know, vlog and decorate with you guys. But I want to go ahead and put this up of my new apartment. I love it, guys. I hope you guys love it just as much as me, but y'all probably just haven't been, like, I don't know, y'all aren't here. So like, yo, outside is breathtaking. Like, let's go outside. Why let's go outside. Harlem, you want to go outside, baby? Harlem is scared to jump off the bed. Come baby, come crazy. Okay, where's mommy's slippers, Harlem? All right, guys, let's go outside. Ready, Harlem? Come on, baby. Oh, it feels amazing. When I say it is so beautiful outside today, like it is the perfect weather. So I'm 100% going to get a grill. But guys, look at this bomb view. It's so pretty outside today. I feel the weather warming up. Oh my God. Look at Harlem taking it in. You taking it in too, boo-boo? The balcony is one of my favorites because, girl, photo ops. Wait till I deck this thing out. Okay, have like the patio set, do some lookbooks out here. Honestly, guys, I think my last place is the same square footage of this place. It's just the layout is different and where the square footage is. So instead of the square footage being in the bedrooms, like you have this huge terrace. But I love the terrace. Like, yeah, the terrace is it. Let's go back inside, boo-boo. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. You don't want to come inside? Okay. You just want to be outside. I mean, I would too. I just don't have no chairs. Look at him. It feels too good? It feels too good out here? You want me to bring more toys? Want me to be more toys? Bring it back to me. Good boy. Yep. It feels, oh my God, it feels so good out here, guys. Huh. It feels so good. It feels so
Harlem,
good.
come on, let's go inside. Come on. Harlem, let's go inside. Come on. Back in the house. Come on. Let's go. Oh my God. Come on, Harlem. Let's go. Let's go back inside, baby. Come on, Stink. Yeah. Shh. Come on. Let's go. In the house. Harlem. 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 Come in the house. Come on, Harlem. Come on. Let's go. Let's go, Harlem. Harlem. Harlem, let's go. Come on. Come, Harlem. You like the balcony? God dang it. Come on, you need some water. Let's go. Come on, baby. Harlem. Come on.
Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my new place. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you are not subscribed. I'm about to head to the grocery store and get these things to cook out on the grill out here. And yeah, I have to get a grill. So I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye guys.